In this video, I will talk to you about how you can make custom variables in your P5 code. So we are going to all go to this editor, tinyurl.com/107se2. Please make sure that you pause this video, rewind this video, do whatever you need so you get this information. And your goal is to move all of the ellipses so they are 30 units down farther. I am just going to add that this is video. Okay, so here we go. Here is my code. And we can see it has a bunch of ellipses. And if I wanted to move them down, I would have to take the y. 55 plus 30 is 85. And I would have to actually come and make all of these 85. It's not a huge deal, but might be frustrating if I had more than 5 ellipses. So today we're going to talk about how we can do something absolutely fundamental, which is making variables. So a variable, as we said yesterday, is just kind of like a placeholder. It holds a value. And in P5, we alert the computer to variables by saying var variable name. Can you get my laser pointer? Variables must be, there are 3 steps. The first is declared. This is your var and whatever your variable name is. Then we initialize it. This is when your variables are given a value. And then we use it in our code. Not using a variable will not cause an error, but what's the point? I like to think of this as like if I was wearing a costume. Declaring it is I'm going to tell you that I am going to dress up as a strawberry. Initializing it is going out and buying my strawberry costume. Now, would it be okay if I never ended up dressing up as a strawberry? Yeah, but then I would have wasted my money. So using it would be me coming to school on Halloween dressed as a strawberry. So just as a visual example, first we have this is how we declare. This is how we initialize or give it a starting value. And this is how we use. What would this variable do for our ellipse? In this situation, our variable would change the width and the height of the ellipse. So we're going to go back to our editor, and I am going to walk you through how you can make our lives just a little bit easier. So what we're going to do, and remember, pause this video, rewind this video, do whatever you need, is I'm going to come up to the top of my code. So I'm going to go to line 1 next to the f of function, and I'm going to press enter a few times. I'm going to do that again. I'm next to the f of function, I press enter a few times. Then I'm going to go to line 1. And I'm going to write var ypos. This is a variable to hold, sorry, let me rewrite that. I am declaring a variable that will hold the y coordinate for the ellipses. Okay, so that's declaring. Our next step is initializing. We're going to come here and we are going to go and I'm going to write inside of my setup. So you'll notice I'm coming after create canvas and I'm pressing enter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my variable ypos and I'm going to set it equal to a number. For right now, I will say 85 because that's what my y position is currently at. This is initializing the variable to start at 85. And then I'm going to replace the 85 with ypos. I'm going to do it for each of them. And this is us using the ypos variable inside the ellipses. Now, you might be thinking, okay, wait, nothing changed. If we go up to our setup and I change it maybe to 55, you will now notice that all of the ellipses moved. I could change it to 125 and they went all the way down. You can do this with any variable and control as many things as you like. I'm going to put it back to 85 just so it matches my notes. The key things are we declare, we initialize, and then we use. Okay, I would love to see what you can do. I have some challenges for you. Pause this video and let me know what questions you have.